At CNH Industrial, we manufacture, design, distribute, and sell world-class machines in agricultural, construction, and commercial vehicle segments. We also sell engines that is used in such equipments, in addition to marine and power generation applications. And we also provide comprehensive financing solutions as well as aftermarket services for our customers that purchase our equipment. The pandemic has thrown the entire world in disarray, right? But then it is also forcing us to think innovatively, and we have to find innovative solutions, because when we were doing things the way we used to, those are no longer possible. And therefore, we have to find solutions that are unique in nature. One of this was when we needed to supply tractors to Bangladesh. Bangladesh was in urgent need of tractors, and we were unable to supply due to the road transportation being severely impacted at the borders, as COVID tests were required during that time. This drove trucks to be at a standstill, and the actual shipment of tractors was taking between several weeks to over a month to supply, and we were unable to meet our customers' needs. Oh, the Prayagraj division guys were very, very helpful. They actually, this was our idea, and when we went to them, they were equally enthusiastic about it. And this gave a lot of confidence to us to pursue such an alternative, which we had never done before. So we took this initiative and worked along with them, and they provided us all the support. And we were able to send about, I think, between 125 tractors to Bangladesh and meet our customers' needs during this pandemic. And those arrived even before the tractors that we had sent in the prior month by road to Bangladesh. And that made our dealers and customers quite happy. So look, by train, when we tried this, it reached there within 7 days. And we are sure that it will reach there within a week. When we were doing this by road, and due to border complications, especially during COVID times, it was very unpredictable. And it could take several weeks to even sometimes several months for the trucks to actually deliver the tractors to our dealers. And this is it was really uncertain and unpredictable. With the trains, we have at least a sure timetable by when the tractors will reach Bangladesh. Not only did it help us during this time where we were desperately looking for a solution, at the same time we realized that it's an extremely competitive and a much surer alternative to the road transportation route. So now, after the success of this project, we are really re-looking at our entire logistics to see how I can use the Indian Railways or the rail transportation mode much more significantly as a share of our total logistics operations, both domestically as well as to outside countries. We would not have found a solution to this problem had it not been for them, and I would still be stuck and our customers would not have received their tractors. And so I really appreciate what they have done for us. I want to thank the Indian Railways for their support in helping our customers' needs and their requirements during this difficult time of the pandemic.